What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. For those of you guys that have been following my channel a while, you know that I normally don't wear gloves like the black nitrates or whatever. I mean, not all the time. You see me wearing them sometimes. I just can't wear them because I have a hard time with the gloves. When I put them on, for some reason, my tendons up in my thumbs, they lock up, and it's like I can't function with them on. I don't know what it is. It doesn't matter if it's powdered or non-powdered or just, I'm not sure what it is actually. Haven't been able to figure it out. This company, I guess, saw one of my videos and knew that I was talking about it, I know, some time back. And they reached out to me. They're called Copperhead. They're telling me that these gloves here won't give me that issue. So they sent me a box to try. And I'm going to try it on this black Dodge Caravan here. We're going to do an oil change on that. And I've been limiting myself to wearing them to things like oil changes, or if I'm messing with harsh chemicals or something like that, I would wear them more. But like I said, I just can't function with the gloves on. Something happens to my hands and they lock up. But anyway, let's pop these things open. Let's see what they look like. There's 100 gloves in here. They're orange, they're raised grip. It's got a beaded cuff, single use only, and they're 8 mil thick. So let's do a small comparison. Tell you what we'll do. We'll put one on this hand and one on this hand, and we will compare. They actually, this one is thicker, but it feels lighter. It doesn't feel as thick as this, but it's definitely thicker. I'm hoping their raised grip will be good, because this, when these get wet and you're changing oil, everything's real slippery. So tell you what, let's go ahead and let's give it a shot and see how it does. This is a double X. This is just an extra large, and it fits a little bit looser, so it must run a little bit bigger. But yeah, it's not as, it doesn't pull through here. This one here, it's tighter through here. It's like this, and that's, like I said, that's a double X. All right, let's see how it does with oil. Well, that's not good. It was definitely metric. Just didn't feel right, you know? One of them things that put it on and you're like, something doesn't feel quite right. I don't know who changed the oil last, but good grief. And so far they feel pretty comfortable. I don't feel any major issues with them. Well, we're definitely gonna need a drain plug. With my luck, a little simple little oil change job is going to turn into something like a oil pan or something. No, not happening. Well, I know why he came here. He probably went somewhere else and they wouldn't do it. So I'm gonna have to take an easy out and try to get it on there to see, can I get it to bite? There we go, just like that. We're definitely gonna have to get a new plug now. Let's get this all wet, see how it holds. Not a bad grip. Not bad. Not bad at all. Really, these ain't, they're one and done gloves, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take them off. What do I need to get the plug wise here and the parts, and then we'll try to reuse them. So far, everything seems to be doing good. The grips are doing really well. I do have a lot better grip with oil on my hands than I did with the other ones there. The grips work out good, actually. Better than I thought. I haven't had any issues with my thumbs curling up or hurting or even tension on my fingers at all. So that's definitely a plus. All right, there's one more thing I want to check on these gloves. Just curiosity to see how durable they are. Let's compare them against the black ones real quick. Break clean. See how wrinkly they get really fast? They suck. Let's check this out. Not too bad, not too bad. Very little bit. Not as bad as the black ones. So after using the gloves and the oil change, I like them. I like how tough they are. I like the grip on them. The thickness is fine. My thumbs didn't hurt. Normally with the black ones, my thumbs started hurting after about 2 or 3 minutes of wearing them. When I tested it with Break Clean, it held up fine. It didn't shrink up as bad as the black ones did. They're pretty tough little gloves. I'm definitely going to buy them and definitely going to use them. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get them at. I'm not sure what the cost is, but if you go to that site, you can find them. They have other things also on that site. You can look around, shop around. You know, they may have something else you might need. That being said, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.